Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna work on the Edna earrings. Now these earrings are very easy to make once you have the charms. So hopefully you've already watched the Edna charm tutorial and already have your charms ready. So for the earrings we made the black ones. Well, I made the black ones. You can do whichever color you like. I gave you like options of 5, but then you can always decide any other colors you have in your stash. So we made this 2 black charms to make a pair of earrings. I already went ahead, made the one, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that on the second one. And now this was the previous one of my first earrings, and I really like how it looks like in this teal green. So for these earrings you'll need same black you used in the charm. You'll need just a bit of it, and then same gold 50 nose you used to embellish it, just a bit of it. So you literally need a gram of each. And then you'll need your earring hooks. I already used one here, so this is the second one. You'll need Nymo size D, beading needle size 12, because we reinforced this charm so many times that it's quite tight in there, but it should be easy to go with a 12 beading needle size 12. Then you'll need scissors to cut the thread, and in the end you'll need chain nose pliers to open and close the earring hook. So, and of course you'll need a stop bead to start with. So I'm gonna thread my needle with about 2 feet. That's all you need for this part really, and we'll get to work. So I thread my needle. First we're gonna start with a stop bead. I'm gonna take it down, leave a small tail that I can sew into work later. There should be enough. And then take my needle through the stop bead again. And then I'm gonna take it through, see on the sides we have the fire polish. I'm just gonna take it through any of the fire polish. Doesn't matter where we start. Then I'm gonna zoom in a bit. I'm gonna pick up 3 11-0s. And then I'm gonna go through the same fire polish through the other side. So basically we are creating a raw unit. So you just have a small crown on top of that fire polish. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take it through the first 11-0. You can just tuck on your thread as well. And then I'm gonna pick up 10 15-0s.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And 1 11-0. 5, 10, 1 11-0. Drop it down. Again, pick up 10 15-0s and 1 11-0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11-0. 5, 10, 11-0. Drop it down. Pick up 10 15-0s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 10. And now I'm gonna take this back through that 11-0, all those 10 15-0s, and come out of this 11-0. See? Pull my needle. And then I'm just gonna hold down the beads and pull the thread. See? That's how it should look like. Just pull the thread nice and tight. Then pick up 10 15-0s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 10. And then I'm gonna go down through the third. See, on top we have 3 11-0s. That's where I went up, and I'm gonna go down the third one. See? And pull the thread. And then, if you look, we have one side ready. And then I'm gonna go back through the fire polish. That's at the base of those 3 11-0s. And then See, I'm coming out of fire polish. I'm gonna go through this, starting through next 11 here. And then just go through here. Let's say, come out here. Now where I'm heading is to another fire polish. And see the base of this here fire polish and the base of the next one, we have to leave 4 in between. So starting from the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they have to come out of this number 5 fire polish. So you have to leave 4 in between. So I'm just gonna make my way there. It's quite tight in there, but you should be able to do it quite easily with size 12. If you can't, take even smaller size of needle, but I think 12 is pretty good here. It's doing the job for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to come out at the 11 previous to that 5th fire polish. And then I can go through that number 5 fire polish. And then pick up 3 11-0s. Again, create that crown on top of this. Go through the same fire polish through the other side. Basically, that's a raw unit. Okay. And then go through the first 11-0. Then I can drop it down. I need to pick up 10 15-0s and 1 11-0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11-0. 5, 10, 1. Drop it down. Pick up 10 15-0s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 10. This one, I'm gonna drop it down, and here I'm gonna hold this here. I have to go through this 11-0, go through all those 15-0s and come out of the 11-0, which might be a bit tight there, but it's fine, you can do it. See? And then pull the thread. Make sure you pull your thread nice and tight here. And then I'm gonna go through all those 15-0s and come out of this 11-0. And pull the thread. And then I pick up 10 15-0s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 10. Drop it down, and then I can go, see the crown here? I went up the first 11-0. I have to go down the third one. And then pull the thread. And basically you are done creating that loop for the earring hook. See? And now I have to get rid of the tail. First I have to go through the fire polish. And then go through the next 11-0. And just take my thread away from that place. You don't make any loops in these earrings because, well, you can't really. It's all super tight, and all you can do is just take your needle through those beads on the sides, taking away your thread. But that's enough because it's so tight, it's not gonna come out. So now what I'm gonna do here, I wanna go ahead, go through the fire polish and go to the other side just to be secure. And go as far as you can through all those beads. Just make sure you don't skip any beads in between. That's gonna create funny turns and stuff. And now here, I can just get rid of this tail. Now I can remove the stop bead nicely. Try not to pull it too hard on the thread. And then I'm gonna thread my needle. And then I have to do the same thing with this tail here, just to take it away from that part. Make sure you pull it nice and tight so all those beads are all in place, and then take it away, going through some beads here. I want to come out of the 11-0, any 11-0. Go through fire polish, and then go to the other side through a couple beads. And then when I pull my needle, it's quite tight in there. I can remove the needle and cut the thread. And we are done. Now I take the second earring hook I have, take the chain nose pliers, open it up, take my earring, that's the hook on top that we created, take it through that small loop, and then close it. And here I have my earrings ready. Gorgeous, aren't they? I just love, I think these are my favorite earrings so far. I quite like my Cleopatra earrings as well because, wow, they just go so well with my Cleopatra necklace, which is my favorite. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It's very easy once you have the charms, so go ahead to the charm tutorial. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to that tutorial where I show you how to make these charms. It's all claw units. It's just has different beads on it, but then you end up with this gorgeousness. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.